everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another video for you. Today we're going to learn that how we can add a rain effect to a picture in PIXLR. So let us start by clicking upon PIXLR E for editor, and then we have to open an image. So let me just crop this much part using the crop tool and then applying it. After that, I have to go on layer and add an image as layer. So you have to add any image at which it is raining. So you can search for maybe rain background image in Google and click upon open, and just let me free transform this. And I also have to crop it because it also has the same thing, and then apply. Now what we have to do is we have to go on the blend mode and click upon screen. So it will look like that it is raining in this area, which is the background which I've taken as. And now we have to go upon the filters, and then you can give it a bit blur effect. So I think this one would be okay, and then you can apply it. Now go on the settings of rain and then click upon merge down. So both the layers would have been merged, and they are merged. Now we have to make a duplicate of this image, and then we have to go on adjustments, then click upon the curves, and then let me just add some effects to it. So I think I'm going to add with blue color and a bit red color. 1 minute, and then apply. So see, it looks so beautiful. And now we just have to make this flattened, and then we can save this image, and how to add a rain effect to your photo is ready. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.